I've been inside trying to get these dollars. Trying to make more money than life.
Hey everyone! So it's Nicole here and welcome back again for another video. So for today's video, I am going to share and talk about how I glow up even though when I'm stressed, or I will be sharing my glow up secrets. So hindi naman to yung glow up na talagang, bigla kang gumanda. It's a part of it, but this is more likely of glow up na I feel good about myself, ganyan. So that's why I feel like I'm glowing up. So taking care of yourself physically is a must. Please take care of yourself before taking care of anything, because when you take care of yourself, mas lalo kayo nag-i-improve sa mga gagawin nyo, and lalong napatunayan ko yan, because when I look good, I will feel good, and when you feel good, you can perform better. I believe when we look and feel good, we are on our best version of ourselves. Like even though when I'm stressed, if nanonood kayo ng mga vlogs ko, alam niyo naman na sobrang career-oriented ko. Like, mahilig ako mag-work. Gusto ko laging productive yung day ko in terms of ACADS or in work. And syempre, hindi natin pwede i-neglect yung personal health natin. So, for today's video, I am going to share you guys some of my glow-up secrets, kung ano ba yung mga ginawa ko, ano ba yung mga inayos ko sa aking body. Ayun, I took myself on a spa date. So, nagpaayos ako ng hair, nagpa-eyelash extension ako. I bought products that are good for me. And also, I took vitamins as well. So, here are the vitamins that I'm currently taking. These vitamins are from Vitabears. So, Vitabears, if you are not yet familiar with it, so the first ever chewable gummy bears vitamins in the Philippines. The chewable vitamins nakikita ko sa Instagram are from other countries like America, Australia, but now Philippines already has its own brand, and it is Vitabears. And yes, sobrang na-excited ako dito. Super love ko yung mga sour candy, since I'm not a big fan of, capsule vitamin, and I'm really guilty of that. Like, my mom would always remind me every day to take my vitamins, but I really forgot it. Feeling ko nagbabara sa lalamunan ko. Di ko alam guys kung ako lang yun, but feeling ko nagbabara sa lalamunan ko yung mga capsule. Kahit sa vitamins or kahit gamot guys, tamad talaga akong uminom. So that's why Vitabears is here to save you guys. So first one, this is the Detox vitamins. And Detox vitamins helps you to remove your toxics in your body. Lahat ng mga unhealthy substance na tinatanggal niya sa body mo, that will really help you improve your weight. And next is, I also have here vitamin C, of course. Hindi pwedeng mawala to. The vitamin C booster that will help you gain vitamin C. So it also has like this for vitamins for skin and nails, fat boosters, vitamins, and we also have for skin vitamins. So for today's video, I am just going to talk about first the detox vitamins. So what are the benefits of taking Vitabears, guys, aside from its delicious taste? So first benefit from the word itself, detox, it removes the unhealthy bacteria in your body. It also supports your weight loss, guys. Like for me, I am trying to lose weight, especially on my belly area. Sa belly area ko kasi meron siyang mga excess fat, and it really helps and supports my weight loss because it has a pure apple cider vinegar. And if you are not familiar with apple cider, nakakatulong yun, i-improve niya yung appetite mo. It will shrink your fat. Like, I have tried drinking apple cider. Alam ko na uso yun before, like may apple cider, may lemon and honey, and iinumin mo siya. Another benefit of this detox vitamin, it will not just help you on your weight loss, but it also has this ingredient that will help you boost your heart rate. So this is good for the heart, and also this will help you improve the appearance of your skin. So this is also a skin vitamins because it has a collagen ingredient. So as we grow old, nauubusan yung collagen ng body natin. That leads us to dry skin and also to wrinkles. And so when you open their vitamins, and medyo maasim siya. It has this sour scent, but when you taste it, let's try to taste so that ma-describe ko sa inyo guys yung lasa. This is what it looks like, guys. Very cute. Para ka lang talagang kumakain ng gummy bear. Parang hindi siya vitamins, but it's a vitamins, guys. So next vitamins that I'm taking is also from Vitabears, of course, and this is the Super C Booster. And guys, you really need a vitamin C, especially nowadays, the virus keeps on spreading. Mas madaling kumapit yung virus inyo if hindi pa strong yung immune system nyo. And this Vitabears has this vitamin C that will help you boost your immune system. It will help remove and destroy the viruses in your body, guys. So, again, hindi kasi talaga ako fan ng tablets or capsule vitamins. Like, for example, yung ascorbic acid, mga malalaki talagang capsule. So, this is a must try, guys. There are a lot of benefits in this vitamin. By the way, guys, if you're taking these vitamins, you just need to drink at least 1 to 2 times a day. So, not more than that. Of course, ayaw naman natin overdosage sa vitamins. So, ayan guys, this is Vitabears. I will link their shop down below. So, this is a really must try if you wanted to develop a healthy lifestyle and glow up and enjoy the vitamins that you are taking.
The next day.
Hello! Nasa Watson kami. Dapat daw ganito yung tsura. Ngayon is magpapa-eyelashes ako. Ayan.
Try to make more money than life makes problems. New city, new women now. New weather, new leather, I'ma get it now. Try to test my patience for come and get to know me, baby. I've been by my lonely baby. Put it all on me now. You be all I need. Please don't need no.
Ayan, so tapos na akong magpa-eyelash extension. Ayan yung itsura niya.
I just walked in, motherfucker step back.
Ayan, hindi siya ganun kakapal.
Don't need no practice.
Ayan, so ito yung bleach, Brimonden. Same brand pala siya ng color. So, nagamit ko na yung konti. Ito pala yung very light ash gray. Ayan. So, it's 0.9.1. Ayan. Very light ash blonde. Ayan. Muna namin tong bleach. Makatuto lang. Hey guys! So that is it for the end of this vlog. So, ito na yung naging result ng hair color sa buhok ko. But actually, dapat mas lighter pa dito since I used a bleach. But hindi lang namin siya nababad ng husto. Siguro next time, I will make my hair lighter. So, ayun, happy naman ako and nagandahan ako sa color niya. Very fresh lang. So, ayun guys, that is it for the end of this video. I hope you like this vlog. And if you do, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe down below. And click on the notification bell para notified kayo sa every upload that I have. So, thank you so much for watching, guys. See you soon. Bye! Thank you so much.
Missing someone.